You can name people or whatever, but for the sake of the 1st of August, the 2nd of August, exercise this right fruitfully. I understand, because really sesikule table it's not that kumnandi. Whatever we have raised here, we all aware but the only way and method to address those things is to cast your vote, to be registered, to be seen. Because when your leaders are watching there, should you tag zeros next to your party, it will be a shame. I'm talking as an independent person, as a neutral person, as a law enforcement. I don't want to rope in Pops to come and enforce things onto you. But you've got the right to say, but my position here is to protect these officials. My position here is to protect you. My position here is to protect these individuals. You understand? But for the sake of progress, you must have a better understanding, like as I'm just articulating now, to say, let us exercise this in a very firm way, in a very pleasant and professional way. Okay, yes.
But I have a problem. Inkosi kakhulu station command ndiyabulela manje ngeguidance yakho. However ke sizawuke sihlale sidibane ezabahlala abane discounted. But I want to raise this concern. This morning inkonto yenzekileyo apha. There was a racist councillor from Ward 29. Uphanze wachayisa abantu bethu. He nearly hit our people 3 times. Ubachayisile. So we have to note that Uveleri 3 times there on that corner there. We had videos of what you did in that there this morning. Yes, no, don't worry. No. We know your racist attitude. We don't care. But we will raise that thing. Because you are wrong. You're wrong. You are wrong. You cannot push your car in front of you.
Because you're racist is yourself. The minute you say you're racist, you must always the minute you say you are racist.
Go 3 times. 3 times. On video. 3 times. What is that? No, we're going to deal with racism in 2026. You cannot. I'm not a racist. You 3 times. You cannot. You are helping us a lot. You are helping us a lot. But the way you cannot tolerate that. You are racist, man.
LP, you can make a better piece.
Political meeting there is the police station. Please, let us not raise these issues here, because I need to pave the way so that this exercise can be. What I've liked about you, that you will consult with the people so you can come back. How many minutes must I give you? Please. Thank you. Can we abide to that request, colleagues? Thank you. All right.